guys, I hope you're having a great day. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to achieve a perfect smoky eye in few steps. This is, I think, the most requested video that I get in like my Instagram messages and all. How to achieve a perfect smoky eye, especially for hooded eyes. I do have hooded eyes, and any eyeshadow look in general is a bit trickier with hooded eyes. But the smoky eye, I think in general, is the easiest eyeshadow look that just suits any eye shape. No matter if it's hooded eyes, it's monolids, you name it, I'm pretty sure the smoky eye gonna suit you. So I think without any further ado, let's do this. So I'm gonna start by prepping the eyes by using the Revolution Conceal and Define Infinite Concealer in the C2. Just dot in the middle, that should blend this up. And to set the concealer, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Fix Loose Translucent Setting Powder. Alright, so the thing with the smoky eye looks, it doesn't necessarily need to be a black smoky eye, you know, because that's more for an evening looks. You can go more with like a beige or earthy colors, or grays, or like a burnt orange, or green, or blue, or pink with the same technique. It doesn't necessarily need to be black. So I think for today's look, I'm gonna go for more like a daytime appropriate smoky eyes. So I'm just gonna go with the NYX Ultimate Warm Neutrals Shadow Palette. With smoky eye, you can do it with two colors. So the lighter shade, you can even mix warmer and cooler tone, and then the darker shade. So you're gonna go first with a lighter shade. You can even mix 3, 4, 5, 6 colors, as many as you wish, you know, gradually going from darker to lighter. We're gonna start from a lighter, and then we're gonna add the darker and blend it through. For my lighter color, I'm gonna go with this. Just taking the shading brush by Real Techniques. So as I mentioned, I'm gonna start from this shade first. So that's more than enough. I would pat off the excess so we don't really have any fallouts or anything, and we can always build up the color more. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna go and kind of dot this in the middle, as you see, like in the middle of my mobile lid, and then blending this up gradually. You know, when we create any eyeshadow looks, if you follow my channel, I always start from doing the transition color. That means higher than your orbital bonus. So this is basically what we do now. We want this color to be blended up slightly bit higher than your orbital bonus. So if you have hooded eyes like I do, it's visible. I think it's gonna be the fastest eyeshadow look ever, because the smoky eye looks are just, yeah, it's just so simple. And if I wouldn't talk it through, it would be even faster, but I think I better explain what I'm doing. So as you see, I'm not really concentrating closer to the lash line or anything like this, so I just dot in the middle so I can spread what's on the brush equally on both sides. That's why I didn't start from one side or another side, because we want it to be equal. We don't want it to be darker on the outer corner or inner eye corner or anything like that. So that's pretty much it. So the transition color is done. And then close to a lash line with a darker shade. So this is a shade I went for. Just taking some on the brush. Once again, start from the middle, and then going to the inner and outer corner of the mobile lid, and then slightly bit blending this upwards. So we don't want the block of color, we want it to be blended through nicely. If you don't know how to blend or anything like this, if you think you blended already, blend for another like 5 seconds. So I want it to be slightly bit darker, closer to the lash line. So I'm coming back to the same color, and I'm just gonna use my finger, and I'm just concentrating super close to the lash line, like basically working into the lash line this color. So I'm taking the same brush and then just blending it slightly bit up into the inner and outer corner. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the NYX black eye pencil, and I'm gonna go in between my lashes. If you're new to this, you can lift your eyelid a bit so you see where you're going with this. Honestly, you guys, the smoky eye is the easiest eyeshadow look like ever. If you want it to be more darker or take it more to the evening look, you can add the black eyeshadow even closer to the lash line, like basically where your lash line is and then blend slightly bit up so all the colors kind of merge, you know, together. There's no obvious lines. Or you can go with a lighter colors. If you think that this is a bit too dark for you for your daytime look, you can just go and play with a lighter colors. Alright, so the eyeshadow is done. I'm just gonna use for this look 2 eyeshadow shades as I mentioned because I want it to be super simple and easy to create and, you know, no hassle or anything like that. I'm just gonna quickly curl my lashes using a lash curler. I think this one is from Primer. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply the mascara. This one is a brand new. It's by NYX. It's Worth a Hype mascara. One of my all-time favorites mascaras. I'm gonna tell you, it's so good. Because I have heavy hand, I'm gonna use the mascara shield. This one is from Primer. Very handy tool to have if you have hooded eyes or heavy hand. You can just stay with mascara if you wish, if it's your daytime look, or if you want some falsies and you love falsies, you can add some. I'm gonna go more subtle kind of falsies as I'm gonna use just the magnetic accents. So this is just gonna go on the outer corner and kind of lift the eye a little bit. Love, love, love these lashes. I already purchased this already. I have like 3 or 4 pairs because I'm using it so often. And the lashes are on. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna apply some foundation, contour and all, and then we can finish off the lower lash line. Let's just finish off the lower lash line and we are done. I'm gonna start by using this lighter shade first. And then I'm taking this darker shade and I'm gonna go on the outer corners of the lower lash line. Taking a small lens brush and a light shimmery color and just gonna brighten up in the eye corner. Taking the same black pencil I used before from NYX, but this time I'm gonna use it on my waterline. Adding a bit of a mascara and we are done. Honestly, you guys, smoky eye look is super easy to create. It might look difficult because I got so many of you asking for how to do this on a hooded eyes, and I kept thinking this is the easiest look to create, but turns out loads of you were wondering how. So I really hope this video is helpful. If so, please don't forget to press that thumbs up. So I created this smoky eye look by using the eyeshadow palette. I prefer eyeshadow, but you can go and create it by using the jumbo pencil, eye pencil. So basically what you would do, you would go with your jumbo shadow on the mobile lid closer to the lash line, and then take a brush and blend up. I do prefer the eyeshadows better than the jumbo pencils because jumbo pencils are on a creamier side, and I do have hooded eyes and that might tend to, you know, crease in the hood. That's why I prefer the shadow, because I know it's gonna stay longer on my super hooded eyes. And as I mentioned, you can go and use different color combinations. You can do colorful. You can go with the most common one, black, if you wish. So if you're gonna go and do any of the smoky eye looks after watching this video, please tag me in your pictures, as I would absolutely love to see it. And if you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, please don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And I shall see you soon in my next video. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Have an amazing day, guys!